giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be giving an update on my weight loss journey, on my weight loss challenge. Guys, I'm excited. I did lose some weight and I can't wait for you guys to see. And also I'm going to give you an update on my diet and what I'm doing, and also the new things that I'm doing to help me on this journey, guys. And yeah guys, so without wasting much time, let's get to it. I'm going to start measuring myself. So this is what I'm using. This is the measuring tape that I got. I bought this measuring tape from CVS. And yeah, so we're going to start by measuring my bust, which is my chest area. Okay. So you start, they say you start below, in the low, like here. So, okay. So this says here under my bust 42. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm 42.5, and then I'm going to measure my breasts, my breast area. Are those inches? Yeah. Okay. Which is like here. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So my bust area is 47 inches. I don't know if you guys can see. And then I'm going to measure my arms. This is my left arm. I don't know if you guys can see. It's 15. Ooh, maybe I should have asked for help. Okay, 15 and 14, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so both my arms are for 14.5, and I think the left is 15. So 14.5, and the left is this. So the left is 14.5, and then my right is about 14.20. I mean 14.20, somewhere there. It's not exactly 14, it's a bit over. So yeah, and then we're going to measure my waist. It's about to rain. Okay, let's get into that waist. Okay, so you go to the belly button. 45 inches. Okay, let's tuck you in, and then I'm going to measure my hips. Okay, so I'm going to measure my hips. Okay, so this is actually, yeah, my hips. Where are the hips? Is it by the bum bum? Or the hips are below? Okay, I do not know. So guys, my hips are 45, and then I'm going to measure my bum area here, I guess, like that. Because I am doing squats. And 49. It's as big as my boobs. Okay, that means I have some bum. Okay. So that is the bum area. So for the bum area, so for the bum area, guys, I am 48.5 inches. So my chest and my bum are the same, I guess, but that means I have a little bit of bum over there. Okay guys, then I'm going to measure my thighs. Whew. Okay, mid thigh. My left thigh is 27.5. So, and then my right thigh is 27.15, somewhere there. So just like the same. So my left is bigger than my right. Okay guys, so those were the measurements, my body measurements. I measured my chest, my bum, my hips, my thighs, my arms. And yeah guys, the numbers are not that great. But we're going to work on it, guys. I rarely measure myself like that, but I think this is really good for me. So now guys, you're going to see what I lost. So this is like something good that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to try, and then I'll measure myself again at the end of this month, maybe January 1st. Oh, I'm going to measure myself again on July 1st so that I can see, because I need like a whole 30 days so that I can see where, if I've lost any muscles or if I've gained any muscles and stuff like that. So I'm excited, guys. So guys, on this journey that I started, eating the salads and staying on the keto program, I did so well. I did well going Monday to Thursday, and then Friday was a holiday. It's a family day, that's what we call it for us in the military. Our spouses get to go home if there's going to be a public holiday. Usually get that Friday off. So that means you get to travel, you get to do whatever you want to do. So we had friends over for Memorial Weekend, and we barbecued, and so that kicked me off my program, guys, because if you're hosting, you have to eat. So I had to eat because we barbecued. We made some burgers, hot dogs, and all, etc, etc. So it was really nice. We had fun. It was nice to have grown-ups over. I had some drinks, I had some ciders, I had some red wine. And then on a Sunday, we were invited to a pool party, which is within our neighborhood. So we just had to take some stuff over, and then we went over there. It was really nice, guys. I had too much fun. I enjoyed myself a lot. Drank a little bit more than I needed to, but it was nice to just let loose and have fun. And of course, we had burgers and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, so I messed up. So like I said, I was good from Monday to Thursday, and I actually went down to, from my 229, I went down to 226. and then I weighed myself. As you have seen, it shows 228. It shows 228, and yeah guys, it was a lot. So yeah, I did fall off my schedule, but I picked myself up. This is why I'm also doing these videos, guys, so that you guys can see how hard it is to lose weight. And if you are experiencing the same thing, guys, it is normal. We fall here, but we have to get up and continue going. That's why I also showed my weight, you know, even if I only lost 1 pound. But that's a loss, right? Eventually that will count to something. So guys, I'm okay with it. You know, I had fun and I had good memories. We don't want to be like on a really strict diet, but we definitely have to be disciplined. So yeah guys, losing weight is a journey, and it's a challenging journey, and that's why I'm bringing you guys over on this journey with me. And I hope you guys will also follow suit. If somebody wants to lose weight, we can encourage each other. But yeah guys, so that was that. That's what happened, guys. And the kids closed school as well, so yeah. So anyway guys, that was my story of what happened. I'm going to also start, I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm going to do on the channel. I'm going to try and focus a lot on my weight loss right now, because I really need to lose weight, guys, just for my health, and just to be happy with my body, just to be happy with who I am, where I am in my life and stuff like that. I need to put my health as priority. So guys, if you're interested to see more of this kind of videos where I show you what I'm eating, I show you my measurements, I show you my weight and stuff like that, this is a channel for you. And also guys, I'm going to start doing weekly vlogs. So the weekly vlogs will be partly lifestyle, but mainly it will be my weekly vlogs. There will be weight loss update where I tell you how much I weigh. So every week after 7 days, I'm going to weigh myself, so that you guys can see how much I'm losing, if I stayed on the program the whole week, what am I eating different, or what am I doing different, or if I'm tweaking anything, so that at least you guys have an idea of what to expect if you do try to do the same thing. And yeah guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this journey goes. I know today I look different. I'm wearing this Adidas thing hat because I undid my hair and it's a bit messed up, but I digress. But anyway, so this is last minute. I forgot to include my water bottle in my video, this big one over here, which I'll be drinking every day for the next 30 days. I need to finish one of these every day, just, you know, so that I can clear my skin. And it's also good for weight loss. They say the more water you drink, the more weight loss, the more weight you lose. So guys, yeah, you should get yourself one of these. It was very cheap. I bought it from TK Maxx and I paid less than $15 for it. So guys, check it out. And yeah, thank you so very much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.